Hello, in this short video I want to show you how to upload a character ROM to the MK2 Commodore board. So what I have prepared here by using the C64 Studio, I created here a character set. Maybe it's not the most beautiful character set in the world, but for demonstration purposes it's fine. So and what is now possible here is to save this to a file, and this is exactly what we want. So you can save it here to a file. I already did this, but for demonstration purposes let's save here again. So what we now have is we have now an image of this character ROM. So next step is now to load it up to the Commodore board, MK2 board. So for this you need again the USB connection. So now here you have this this menu where you can load up the ROM. Where is it here? Upload ROM with U. And then today we go for C to upload a character ROM. So and now the important thing is you choose here not the send data but transfer X modem, and then you have the possibility to go to send or to receive. We want to send. So next thing is now you have to choose the location of the file that we have created in the step before. So here is the character ROM we have created, and so open. And now you see here the upload is going on. You get here a message. I don't know exactly why he says that it is a little bit too short, but anyhow, it's working. So now the upload is done. We don't see any changes yet on the Commodore. So the next thing what we have to do now is to select that this ROM is chosen by M. So and now we select the character ROM, and we say okay, use the customized ROM by using U. So you see it has now changed. He is now using the customized character ROM, and let's leave with exit. And now already the Commodore has already changed now. So what you now see on the screen is the following. So here you see now it already has taken the new characters. The interesting thing is that if you now, for example, switch the Commodore off and switch it on again, you again have the original screen. So how can this be? And this is because if you have a look at the the ROM selection by using M, and then let's have a look at the character ROM, you see it again switched back because we have not saved the settings. So by loading up the character ROM went up to the flash. You don't have to save for this, but in order to make the Commodore memorize that you want to use the selected ROM, you have to go for U and first configure it, and then Commodore again has changed, but that it keeps this. You also need to save the settings. So here, write settings. Now the settings are written. And if we now switch it off and on again, then you can see that it now memorizes it and starts with the customized RAM. So this is what I wanted to show concerning using a customized ROM, character ROM on the MK2. See you in the next video. Bye.